This will be the perfect method for trading on Quotex by using a traditional scanner on our charts to prevent false market signals during the early trends of any currency pair. This method has a 95% success rate. However, it is very manual to trade because we will need to focus closely on chart analysis. Not just on the arrows, but also on the smoothness of our FX Scanner Pro indicator lines. Take a look at this, we got arrow here going upward, while all of our scanner lines are in smooth flow going down. And with our two lines at the bottom already shifts upward. And for the next minutes, there will be a reverse for the trend to go upward. We will adjust our trade duration to 2 or 3 minutes. For higher winnings, since our FX Scanner Pro indicator detected possible trend shifts for the next 3 to 5 minutes. We got 50-50 situation here, hoping for the trend to shift up. We got no lose nor win on that. We traded $20 per entry, and we already got our target within this day. We will trade for another currency and check for possible trend reversal. As we can see here, a strong downtrend here, its waves from higher going down to lower, seems a good pattern here to trade down. Let's trade down on it for 3 minutes. Good result on that trade. Another good reversal point here. Euro JPY. An uptrend confirmation. We got smooth flow of our lines here. With our arrow here aims upward. The two lines tend to go upward. And a good spot here to trade up. Euro JPY, an uptrend confirmation here. And have a good reputation for our trend to go up for the next 3 minutes. See the rest of the video and subscribe with us for latest trading strategies with Quotex and other trading broker. Eliminate bad trades by utilizing Ultimate FX Tools indicators. We also got Euro GBP, an uptrend confirmation.
you.